Didn't want to come with me. Morning. Have you seen my tools? Oh, never mind. I just spotted them.
One thing about living in Appalachia, I never could stomach all those damn
Paige
ticks.
might
Ugh.
seem like a real stick in the mud sometimes, but
Lovely
he's
weather,
held this
isn't
group
it?
together through a lot of hardship.
I hope we can set up more settlements like Foundation. I've got friends out there that didn't want to come with me.
Foundation and those raiders up at the crater just don't get along. They want to take everything we've worked for.
Well, this is a little awkward. You're from one of the local vaults, right? Hope you don't mind us settling in your neighborhood, 'cause we're already kinda here. And if you want to kick us out, then the answer's no. If the walls weren't already kind of a statement to that effect. Nice to know I'm dealing with a reasonable person. Never know what kind of morons we'll stumble across out here.
Sonny always says his stuff will go on sale tomorrow. Somehow, tomorrow never seems to get here.
Inoculated? This some kind of a scare tactic? You mean those crazies with the torch skin? Those aren't just burn victims? You're saying it's from a disease? Thanks for the warning, but, you know, if I was a local on a campaign to keep people out of my neighborhood, I might say a few things too. I'll tell you what. One of my own is a doctor, Aubrey. I sent him ahead to start up an observation camp, get the lay of things. You talk to him about this. If he's convinced, then I'm convinced too. Deal? Assuming he agrees with you about this disease, then we'll hear you out.
These newcomers make me nervous.
Sonny has fresh food, but Sonny prefers customers eat all this food first. It is good of you to acknowledge that. Anytime you want some extra rust in your soup, just
Extra
ask.
patrols over there.
there is only one real Sonny. This Sonny. All others are imposters with identical programming. Goodbye, and don't forget to shop at Sonny's.
Maybe some extra patrols over there.
I heard Sonny got a new shipment in. We gotta go check it out.
Ward says our walls and turrets will keep the raiders out. I hope he's right.
Finally, someone with the guts to help. We just discovered that one of our turret control circuit boards is missing. And by missing, I mean stolen. If you can get it back, we'd be very grateful. Grateful enough to pay you. Excellent. Fortunately, we put tracking transmitters into the really sensitive stuff like that. I can show you roughly where it is, but you'll have to wait until you're closer to get an exact fix on it. Now that might not have been our crater heads. But you come to me ASAP if it's more than just idle talk, all right? The Foundation is a good place. Someday, it'll be a great place. A long, hard way. I'm ashamed to admit that I used to be a raider back when I was young. That's a hard life, and it took its toll on me. I began to question the purpose of what I was doing. There wasn't any. I guess maturity comes with age. Now I want a better place for everyone, not just me. Most folks here need a hand with something. Reach out. The quicker you recover on missing equipment, the better.
Name's Maggie. I'm looking for someone to head into Monongah Mine for me. I'll pay for anything you can find about a man named Earl Williams. He was my pops. The mine's been closed up since before the war, but you look like the resourceful type. Think you can lend me a hand? Without hearing any details? Must be real desperate for some caps. But hey, maybe your desperation will come in handy. I could use someone with some real motivation.
Some extra patrols over there.
make it to Monongah Mine yet? With all those horrible nukes dropping and destroying everything, you'd think one would land near Monongah Mine. I bet a powerful blast like that would knock the rubble out of the way so you could get inside. You just did, but shoot. Sure, I guess.
I need a nap or a refill.
It was just me and my pops. They didn't need anyone else. I guess now it's just me. What about her? She left us early on. Who knows what got her first? The chems or the bombs? And I guess since everyone has lost someone, we should all just get over it, huh? What are you trying to know? Fair enough. I'll tell you what I can.
Well, at least it's nice out.
He and some other townsfolk got some liquid courage one night and decided to go up to the mine. I knew that damn bourbon would be the end of him somehow. They kept going on about getting the last of what they could before that Deke Sykes from Hornwright Industrial closed up the mine. Well, that son of a bitch ended up blasting the entrance closed with everyone still inside.
These newcomers make me nervous.
You don't think I tried? I clawed at the rubble until my hands bled, and they had to drag me away. They told me that my pops ran off and said the others left Monongah since there was no more work. I think it was some sort of cover. They either got paid off by the Hornwrights to keep quiet, or they didn't want to deal with the expenses of a rescue mission.
Well, at least it's nice out.
This was back in January '76, after Hornwright cleaned out everything that they could from the mine. So, I'm not delusional. I know he's dead. It's been over 20 years, and if the hunger didn't get him, then I'm sure the radiation did. I hope he didn't suffer too much.
Tired. Coordinating scavenger hunts. There's lots of stuff out there you can get to without us.
What's that, Jim?
Attention, people of Appalachia. This is Paladin Romani of the Brotherhood of Steel,
I know they're easy to
broadcasting
grow,
from
but-
Fort Atlas.
I don't
You are
understand
no
why we
longer
can't get
facing
few
the
more
wasteland
sunnies
alone. The Brotherhood has returned. Our mission is to help you lead a better, safer life, free from the dangers left behind in the wake of the Great War. If you require aid, or if you wish to join us in our mission, find us in Fort Atlas. A new dawn is here for Appalachia. Join us in building the future. Romani out. Attention, people of Appalachia. This is Paladin Romani of the Brotherhood of Steel, broadcasting from Fort Atlas.
Stay back! You with those things? Huh? Answer me! He did? Never seen you before. You one of the locals? You got a hell of a welcoming party here, you know that? They hit us out of nowhere. Screams, gunshots, the sound of Kip getting his head caved in. God, I don't know how long I've been here. I guess I was just hoping it was all a nightmare, you know? Wait, you're saying a disease made those things? What's a transmission? Airborne? Direct contact? They never touch me, I swear. You got it. He knows I'm a doctor, so he'll listen to me. And thanks. I don't know the details of this disease, but I am damn glad to be walking away from it alive. I'll meet you there. Just need to rest.